Question 2. Compulsory text. The Samaritan by John Lara. Change can be initiated through the effort of ordinary citizens. Closely referring to Nicole in The Samaritan by John Lara, write an essay to support this statement. So change can be initiated through the effort of ordinary citizens. So here you start by explaining that some people may come off as normal and not different or special in any way. However, through their determined attempts, such people are capable of bringing change. In John Lara's The Samaritan, Nicole, a simple teacher, ignites change in Maracas municipality when she midwives the idea of the Samaritan. As a result of Nicole's effort, the Samaritan app is used by the people to expose the rot in the municipality and help in prosecution of the culprits, and this sends the leaders into a panic. Because of Miss Nicole's tireless effort, people have an excellent platform to expose corrupt leaders, leading to their persecution and conviction. Surely change can be ignited through the efforts of ordinary people like Miss Nicole. Miss Nicole's effort helped the reporters and editors in the mainstream media to gather enough information on the municipal leaders, setting in motion the wheels of change. The focus of the local newspapers is on the municipal leaders, and the stories are extremely damaging. Mosi asks Avesta to buy all newspapers from the vendors as early as possible, for it was in their best interest. Newspapers like the Caribbean Watch, the Sentinel, the Insight, and the Spotlight all talk about the municipal council as a criminal enterprise. The leaders being stripped naked, the rot in the municipality, and a call for imprisonment of the leaders. Such headlines have been published every day for the last 1 month. Ted wonders if such headlines are unusual. Jaden suggests that they should give the reporters more boxes of chocolates, while Bembe avers that they should threaten some of them. The Samaritan app is the source of the information in the newspaper. This you can find in page 22. There is a damaging story about Harvester in the newspaper about the misuse of public funds when Moss instructed him to buy all newspapers using public funds. The Sentinel highlights a vicious duel between Mossy and Samoa. The Caribbean Watch has damaging information about Bembe. They claim his hotel and his home are built on public land. He is a member of Ghetto Boys, a shadowy gang that robs people. He has converted the municipal police force into his own personal outfit, and he collects bribes from motorists. This you can find from page 40 to 41. All this information in the mainstream media is sourced from the Samaritan app. It is through Miss Nicole's effort that such rot is exposed. Surely, ordinary people can be agents of change through their tireless endeavor. Miss Nicole initiates change in Maracas municipality through her lessons of morality, ethics, and the perils of disobedience as Sagrada Secondary School. Miss Nicole asked the students to reject the spirit of beast and resist all those being controlled by spirit, since consequences of disobedience are inescapable for both the society and the individual who disobeyed. This is page 91. Miss Nicole's effort to guide the learners to be morally upright is laudable. This will help change the behavior of the citizens of Maracas municipality. Indeed, efforts of ordinary people can cause change in the society. Nicole's effort jolts the leaders into talking about change in the municipality. Miss Nicole is an ordinary teacher, but she wields massive influence because of her determined effort. Mosi visits her in school and begs her to help him regarding the Samaritan. Bembe also tries to intimidate her by arresting her on trumped up charges of stealing the school generator and disobeying authorities. People from all walks of life, including touts and hookers, show up to support Nicole when she is arrested. They were mobilized through the Samaritan amp. Nicole is a force to reckon with, since people displayed their solidarity never before witnessed in Maracas municipality. Bembe is also summoned by his bosses for this folly. Bembe and Mosi later visit Nicole and apologize. Nicole rejects Ted's offer of a golden ring. The leaders now claim that there is need for drastic change. Miss Nicole says that her role in the new order is that she owes the municipality and the country is a civic duty. She is ready to work with patriotic citizens to enhance transparency and accountability. This you can find in page 133. Mosi claims that the municipality was going to embrace change, whereby public resources will never be stolen, justice will be served, police will stand with the innocent, and lawmakers will promote public interest. This you can find in page 133 to 134. Due to Nicole's influence, she's offered a new position as the Director General in the Municipal Council, where she will be a consultant with oversight powers over all the departments in the municipality and will be answerable only to the mayor. This you can find in page 135. Nicole says that they do not need new offices or positions. She says that the change they desire is the change of heart and spirit among the people, but mostly among the leaders. This is still page 135. That is taking responsibility for the well-being of the municipality and abiding by the laws. This you can find from page 135 to 136. She blames the leaders for being interested in personal gains, dipping their fingers into the public till and breaking the law. When the leaders are arrested, Alvita echoes Nicole's sentiments that you can never escape from the consequences of your actions. This you can find in page 138. Surely, an ordinary person's efforts can initiate change in society. Lastly, Miss Nicole champions for change when she advises her students to ape the Samaritan in the good book by standing up for the cause that can bring a better tomorrow for all of them. This you find in page 52. In conclusion, ordinary people like Nicole can institute change. She inspires others like Alvita Motano, the reporters and editors, the hawkers and touts to agitate for change. Although she is a simple teacher, she is a beacon of change in Maracas municipality. Did you understand? kindly let me know in the comment section below. Also, let me know what video I can look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.